Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice and today's wig is from SVT Hair. This wig is going to be inspired by a skunk stripe. A lot of people have been wearing it lately, so I definitely wanted to try it out. And because it is fall, I wanted to add just a little bit of color. I did go ahead and just create a patch out of the front, just on the side, on the part that I usually do a side part on. So I just took a small portion and I did go ahead and just mix up my powder as well as the developer cream and apply it to the base as well as the root of the hair and just mixed it throughout. So I did apply the bleach section by section in this little part. I wanted to be careful not to get this bleach on the rest of the hair, so I did just add a piece of paper underneath just to separate it. I did only leave this on for about 30 minutes. I did wrap it at the end with foil, and I didn't wrap it tightly, but I did wrap it at the end with foil so it can process. I did not go over it a second time to process. I only processed it one time and washed it out. So this is what the end color did come out to look. Now, I did just stop it like this and I didn't process it again because at the beginning, before I was washing it out, it did look more brown, but it ended up turning out to look orange. But at this point, I was like, okay, it doesn't matter. You know, it is fall. You know, I can have an orange patch. So that's the option I chose. I did go ahead and pluck the front of this wig while it was still wet as well. I did pluck the hairline. I already applied my cap and already applied the adhesive. So all I do have to do is just cut off my ear tabs and take my fine tooth comb and comb it in. So as you can see, I'm just cutting off the tabs. I did one side and I'm also going to do the other side. And I'm just going to take my fine tooth comb and comb it in. So this wig is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I believe this is a HD lace and it is a 26 inch and it's also 180% density. Now, upon receiving this hair was really nice, silky, bone straight to the T. And after I washed it and everything, I ended up looking at the color and this color looks very dark. It does appear black. And later on in the video, you can definitely tell it looks more black than anything. I did not dye this hair. This is naturally how the hair comes. Now, this wig, the lace on this wig does appear to be transparent a little bit. But once you start cutting off the lace, you can definitely tell it's HD. This lace is very undetectable and you can hardly see it. Once I get everything installed and pressed down, you cannot tell this is lace at all. It looks like it's really coming from my scalp. And I really did like that about this wig, because at the beginning I was kind of sketchy because of how the lace was looking, but later on, once I actually installed it, it blended very nicely. This lace is very thin as well. It's not thick. It is very stretchy. So if you have a fairly larger head, you will definitely make it fit. This wig does fit just a tad bit bigger on my head in the back, but I did also adjust the straps in the back so it can feel a little bit snug. I also emplaced the comb that's at the bottom of this wig. I did want to mention that y'all know usually with a lace wig they also have the lace at the bottom. Well, with this wig does not have lace at the bottom. It just has the comb and then the lace at the top. So I did want to just show y'all the parting space of this wig. This wig, the knots on it bleach perfectly, and you can part it however you want to. It does have deep side parting. It doesn't have that 1 inch parting on the side. It does have the 3 to 4 inches on the side. So if you want a deep side part, you can achieve that look. That was the look that I was going for, and it came out pretty good. With this wig being 180% density, it definitely fills out and is very full. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I don't like thin hair, and I don't like to be able to see through my hair. So this hair was very full. As you can see, once I start blow drying it, you can see how big and fluffy it looks. And if y'all haven't noticed, this hair barely has any flyaways. I had no problems with flyaways being at the top, in the middle, or at the end. This wig has no flyaways. This wig is very silky. And I'm gonna say that again. This wig is very silky. And do y'all not see that shine? It has a shine to it. It's not one of those wigs that you feel like it's shiny and oily. No. I have no oils in this hair whatsoever. I did eventually spray a heat protectant that may have a slight shine to it later on before I start straightening this hair. But as you can see, this has a natural shine to it. And I think it's because of the color. Because the color is so dark, it does appear to be a lot shinier, but it doesn't feel like it's shining. Although it is a little bit silkier, but it still has that thick luster to it. So it kind of like balances it out. And although after I bleached the top, I can say that part is still silky. I did not need to add a conditioner to it, which I probably should have. But that part right there, it's not dull, it's not brassy. Like when I tell you it came out basically orange, it did not come out brassy. Like it looks like pure orange, and the color is so radiant. Like if you were to color this hair, the color will actually pop because it still looks shiny and healthy. Even after bleaching this hair just on that part, I still received just minimum shedding. It has not been shedding basically at all. Now, the more you actually style the hair, you will get more shedding. So I've been having this hair in for a couple of weeks now, and I have been receiving shedding, of course, when I start to detangle the hair. It has been tangling just a small bit, of course, just in the back and after I curl the hair. But when it is straight, it is silky, it's perfect. So I do try to keep the hair straight as much as possible. It does not frizz up as well. So if it's raining outside, you won't have to worry about the humidity. It does not frizz up, but it does have minimum shedding and minimum tangling as well. And later on in the video, I did curl it, so you can also check that out, see how you like the curls. This wig takes heat very well. Now, when I was straightening it, I could do one pass and it's silky straight. You will see that later on. This wig takes heat very, very well. This lace looks so good. I know y'all can see it. Like, y'all can even see it really in the light. Like, this lace is blended and melted into my skin. And honestly, I didn't really know how this look was going to turn out because it didn't come out to be like 613. I was really scared, but I honestly like the end results of this wig, and I do like that patch. Like, I feel like it's a look, like it's really a look. I actually like it. And overall, this hair treated me so good. I do like silky hair, and this hair was really silky. So if you want black hair that you don't already have to dye, this hair does come black and it looks good. The lace is good and everything. But I definitely do want to say this hair does take heat very well when you straighten it. When you start to curl it, it does hold a curl. It does hold a curl, but I do not think the curls will last for a long period of time. So I would suggest adding a type of hairspray to it after you curl the hair for it to last longer, because the curls will eventually drop. And I really think that is because the hair is so silky. But it does hold a curl for a moment of time, and then after that the curls do drop. Y'all, this hair looks so amazing. It has so much body, so much bounce. This hair looks so thick. Look at them ends. Now, right there, the ends may look a little bit thin, but the ends were actually thicker in person. Like, this hair is just really thick. It's really fluffy. It feels so light. It doesn't feel heavy. Y'all know what I mean? Like, it doesn't feel like heavy, like you have so much on your head. It has a light feel to it, and it's nice and silky. Like, it's really nice and silky. Now, I am coming to an end with this video. This is what the hair looked like at the end after it has been curled. And, you know, I got my face right. I hope y'all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video.